Good morning, everybody. Welcome to your final test of the year over the rock cycle and Earth's layers. Please feel free to pause the video at any time and rewind if you need to hear a question read to you again. Please pay very close attention to what I'm telling you, and good luck on your test today. And make sure you put your name up at the top here and the date. Okay. Rock cycle and earth layers test. So you're going to use this diagram for the next few questions. Number 1, what process is happening at number 1 right here? Is it melting, cooling, heat and pressure, or compaction and cementation? Number 2, what process is happening at number 2? Is it weathering and erosion, cooling, heat and pressure, or compaction and cementation? What's going on here? Number 3, what process is happening at number 3? Is it weather and erosion, cooling, heat and pressure, or compaction and cementation? Number 4, what process is happening here at number 4? Is it weathering and erosion, cooling, heat and pressure, or compaction and cementation? Number 5, what process is happening here at number 5? Is it melting, heat and pressure, weathering and erosion, or cooling? All right, you're going to answer these next questions about this two-dimensional model of the layers of the Earth. You need to be able to include the inner core, outer core, mantle, asthenosphere, lithosphere, and the crust. So, which number layer represents the inner core? Is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? So what layer is the inner core for number 6? Number 7, which layer is the mantle? Is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? Number 8, which layer is the asthenosphere? Is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? 9, which layer is the lithosphere? Is it 6, 5, 4, or 3? Which layer is the lithosphere for number 6? Or number 9, sorry. Which layer is the lithosphere? Number 9. Number 10, which layer represents the crust? Is it 6, 5, 4, or 3? Which layer is the crust? Number 11, which layer is solid and hotter than the surface of the sun? Is it the outer core, the inner core, the crust, or the mantle? Okay. Number 12, how is a peach that is cut in half similar to the Earth's layers? Is it F, that the inner core of the Earth is a liquid, just like the inside of a peach? Is it G, the mantle of the Earth is the thinnest layer, just like the inside of the peach? Is it H, that the crust of the Earth is the thinnest part, just like the skin of a peach? Or is it J, none of the above? Number 13, what type of rock is limestone? And I'm going to read you the description. You decide what kind of rock we're indicating. Limestone is a rock that forms as layers of shells and coral and other marine life fall down to the ocean floor. As it piles up, it cements and compacts together to form rock. So does that indicate sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock, igneous rock, or magma? Number 14, what type of rock is pumice? I'll read you the description. Pumice is a very light and porous volcanic rock. Porous means it has holes. Pumice is a very light and porous volcanic rock formed when lava cools and hardens rapidly. So does that indicate sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock, igneous rock, or magma? Number 15, what type of rock is this? Gneiss. I think it's pronounced gneiss. I hope it is. Why did we pick this one? Of all the rocks, why did we have to pick this one with the weird spelling and pronunciation? I don't know. But we did, and here we are. So we're going to get through it. And I think the G is silent, and it's pronounced gneiss. I hope I'm not wrong. If I am, oh well. Nobody's perfect. Okay, what type of rock is gneiss? Here's the description. Gneiss is a rock in which mineral grains recrystallize under intense heat and pressure. So, does that indicate A, gneiss is sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock, igneous rock, or magma? Okay, for the last 3 questions, you're going to want to use these pie graphs, these pie charts, to answer these questions. So you need to pay very close attention to these pie charts and what the name of the pie chart is. Read very carefully. All right, number 16. Which element is the most abundant in the ocean, Earth's crust, and living thing? Which element is the most abundant in the ocean, Earth's crust, and in living things? So here's oceans, Earth's crust, and living things, because humans are living. What's the most abundant? Is it F, carbon, G, silicon, H, aluminum, J, oxygen? So one more time, we're talking about this pie chart, and this pie chart. What element is the most abundant? Which means, what do we have the most of? Number 17. Which element is the most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? So that's this one, Earth's atmosphere. Is it A, nitrogen, B, oxygen, C, carbon, D, zinc? Last question, number 18. What element is 18% of the human body? What element is 18% of the human body? So that's this pie chart. Is it F, nitrogen, G, oxygen, H, carbon, J, zinc? Okay. That's all the questions, and good luck. Remember to rewind the video if you need to hear a question again. If you had to skip one, go back to it now and do your best. Okay, bye.